Hey, what's up guys? This is the Polar Edge cooling comforter. Let me go ahead and take this out of the box here and get this first look at it. Okay, so first thing on top of the box, you can see we have an initial instruction card. So low heat, throw it in the dryer for 20 minutes. If you have it, use a dryer ball, shake it smooth, and then steam it. So there's the instruction or care card that it starts off with. It's vacuum sealed in this plastic bag. And per usual, any type of fabric and most things, it says not to cut them with a knife, but it's what I have to open it with, so I am gonna cut it anyways, just be super careful. First impression here is this blanket, this comforter feels just really nice. I can't believe it. Like seriously, I can't believe how soft this comforter feels. It feels like really lightweight and smooth and soft, but also like it's dense. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. It almost feels like a sheet, but with the weight of a comforter. It's interesting. But I definitely can see the cooling factor of it. Anyway, so that does feel really nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this thing in the dryer for a minute as recommended on the care instructions. I don't have a dryer ball, so I'm just gonna throw that in there. All right, so I did get a little impatient. I only threw it in for about 15 minutes, but I was excited and I wanted to get it on here, so I'm doing it a little early. It actually says spread it out and kind of like shake it out a bit and smooth it down with your hands, and to use a steamer. I'm not gonna use a steamer, it's not that important to me. So guys, so this is a king size bed. So this is the king size comforter. It looks really nice. Oh, it feels really nice. And again, knowing that it's a king size, I wanna give you an up close look so you can see how it fits around the bed as a king size. So had a little bit of space left up at the top of by the pillows there. A little of that hangs off the end of the bed. So it is pretty fitted. It fits nice. So it looks nice and feels really nice. All right, guys, so I finally had a couple nights to try out this cooling comforter here, and I gotta just tell you, this thing is like really amazing. It's summertime, and I try not to keep my AC on too much, and this thing has just done a really good job at actually helping me stay cool and comfortable at nighttime. I'm surprised. I really love this blanket. It did so much more than I expected, and I just really love it and definitely recommend it.